Hello guys, welcome to the Reactor channel. So today we are going to be discussing about this boom and crash scalping strategy. Okay, so this strategy is a very powerful strategy, and this strategy works on when the market is trending downwards on crash on boom, sorry, and when trading upward on boom. And this strategy also works when the price is ranging. Okay, so work with me, and I'm going to show you guys how everything works and how you can make use of the strategy without you stress or wondering how you can take a trade with the strategy. I'm going to give you guys the settings and how the strategy works when the market is ranging and when the market is trending. So if you're new to that channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, so if you also want to get our free mentorship tutorial, or you want to get a video strategy course, then contact the number you are seeing at the screen. It's our WhatsApp number, and you can also contact us on Telegram. So you can ask us for any help that you want us to help you in trading aspects. Okay, so with that being said, let me show you guys settings for the strategy. Okay, so talking about the settings of the strategy, you just have to go to where it says add indicator. So this is all the indicator we are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, and the first one is the Ichimoku. So how do we add this up? We click on this F icon at the top, we search for Ichimoku and click on it. Now the Ichimoku, just have to set it as default. Now the indicator, the style, the color we need is the Kenshin and Kijonshin, and the remaining set is as a background color. Then click on save. Once you do that, you are going to have your Ichimoku in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the RSI. And the way this up, we click on this F icon at the top, we search for RSI and click on it. Now for the RSI, set the parameter style as your background color, and for the levels we need 15 and the 85 levels. Then go back and click on save. So you have your RSI in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the money flow index. And where this up, you click on this F icon right here, we search for money flow index and click on it. Now the period is 50, the volume is thick. Now the style is usually color your choice, then click on save. Then go back and you have your money flow in your chart. Now for the last indicator, which is the moving average, click on this F icon right here, search for moving average and click on it. Now for the moving average, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is smoothed, apply to previous indicators data. Now style, red color, so click on save, and that is all the settings we are going to be using for this strategy right here. Okay, so now let's talk about how the strategy works. Now the first thing we are going to talk about is when the price is trending. Okay, when the price is trending, how are you going to make use of the opportunity to scalp some candles? Okay, so now this is done. You can see right here from this top right here, the price is trending downwards up to this area right here, up to here, the price is trending downwards. So when you see that the price is trending downwards, now what you want to keep in mind is that you want to follow the trends. Now what is that confirmation you need to see to follow the trends when the price is trending downwards? And the confirmation is that you need to see that the money flow index has come straight to the 85 levels of the RSI. Okay, when it comes to the 85 levels of the RSI, now you want to wait for it to cross below the moving average, which you can see it right here. So after it crosses below the moving average, now you look into your main chart. Now when you look into your main chart, you want to see what the price is doing. Okay, so when you look into your main chart, you want to see that if the price has already break below some kind of minor support or resistance area right here, you can see. So when the price broke that area and you see your confirmation on your indicator window 1, then you enter your trades and then you catch your candle. Now the candle you are going to catch depends on how confident you are and how you can hold your trades. Okay, so that is how you take a trade when the price is trending. Now for the when the price is now ranging, now this other trading opportunity for you to take. Now what are the things you're looking for? You want to see where the money flow index comes straight to the 85 levels of the RSI. So when it comes there, then the next thing you are looking for is where it break when the money flow index break below the moving average, which happens right at this area. So when you see this, then look at your main chart. And what are you looking for in your main chart? You want to see that the Ichimoku line cross below each other, which happens right here. So this way cross below each other. After you cross below each other, then you are now going to be entitled for your your sell. Okay, so that's how you take a trade with the ranging market, and that's how you take a trade with when the price is trending. Very simple and it's very straightforward strategy. Okay, so let me give you guys one more example, then we are going to talk about another thing. Now this is another example right here. So we are on crash now, we are looking for a buy opportunities. Now this is a buy trade right here, this is a buy trade right here. You can see that the price, the money flow index comes straight to the 15 levels. When it comes to the 15 levels, you can see that the moving average cross, the money flow index cross above the moving average, which happens right here. So after you see the crosses, then you look into your main chart and you want to see that the line cross each other right here. So when they cross each other, you are now going to enter. You are now going to enter your sell, which we are going to enter right at this candle or this candle right here. So that is how you take a trade with this strategy. Now for the zoom level of the strategy, you can use any zoom level you want, but for me I do like to use the second zoom level. Okay, that's the zoom level I like to use. Okay, so this is where the price is trending upward. Where you can see, you want to see that the money flow index comes straight to the 15 levels. It cross above the moving average, and then you want to see where the price close all the ranging, all the range that it did, all the spike, then you enter uh for your buy. Okay, so that's how you take a trade with this strategy. Very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Find the video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.